Is it possible to download an Excel sheet with a macro using PHP script? In a world increasingly reliant on data management and automation, combining these two powerful tools, Excel macros and PHP scripting, presents an intriguing opportunity. At its core, this involves generating an Excel sheet with embedded macros using PHP and readying it for download via a user-friendly interface. Let's delve into the details of how this can be accomplished. Understanding Excel sheets with macros. Before diving into the technical implementation, it's important to understand what macros are. Macros in Excel are sequences of instructions that automate tasks, written in Visual Basic for Applications, VBA. They are especially useful for repetitive tasks or complex operations that need to be executed consistently. The PHP approach. PHP, a widely used server-side scripting language, has the capability to generate Excel files through libraries such as PHPExcel or the newer PHPSpreadsheet. When working with Excel files, especially those with macros, attention needs to be paid to the file format. Macros in Excel cannot be saved in the default .xlsx format. Instead, they need either the .xlsm or .xls format for compatibility purposes. Steps to generate and download Excel sheets with macros using PHP. Using PHPExcel/PHPSpreadsheet library. First, ensure you have the proper PHP library. Note that PHPExcel has been deprecated, and its successor is PHPSpreadsheet. To include PHPSpreadsheet, use Composer to install it. Creating an Excel file. Instantiate a new spreadsheet and configure your worksheet data. This is where you define columns, rows, and any data pertinent to your task. Save your spreadsheet in the .xls or .xlsm format to accommodate macros, using the writer functionality from PHPSpreadsheet. Embedding or linking macros. Currently, PHP's libraries do not support writing VBA code directly into an Excel file. However, you can work around this by saving an existing file with macros as a template, then populating the data with PHP. Alternatively, generate the data-only Excel file through PHP, and manually integrate the macro afterward using Excel software. Serving the file for download. Set the appropriate headers in PHP to trigger a file download in the browser. Use the file writer to output the Excel file to the browser. Challenges and considerations. The main challenge when automating Excel with macros via PHP is the inherent limitation of PHP libraries not supporting direct VBA code writing. As it stands, the process often requires a hybrid approach, combining automated scripts with manual intervention. This underscores the necessity for environments that require stringent automation to consider custom or alternative solutions, potentially integrating platforms or languages designed specifically for Excel manipulation combined with PHP. By understanding and leveraging the strengths of both PHP and Excel, it is indeed possible to create a controlled process for downloading Excel sheets embedded with macros, an endeavor that enhances efficiency and productivity in data-driven applications.